In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add artboard in Figma. In Figma, artboards are called frames and they're the foundation for laying out your designs. Whether you are designing for a phone, a desktop, or something completely custom, starting with the right frame will keep your work neat, consistent, and easy to share. First, press F on your keyboard to activate the frame tool. When the frame tool is active, look to the right-hand design panel. You'll see device-specific presets grouped by categories like phone, tablet, and desktop. Click the preset that matches what you are designing for, and Figma will instantly create a frame at the correct size on your canvas. Using these presets ensures your layouts match real device dimensions, which is helpful when handing off to developers or testing responsive ideas. If you prefer to define your own size, you can create a custom artboard by clicking and dragging on the canvas with the frame tool selected. As you drag, you are drawing the exact boundaries of the frame. This is great when you are exploring concepts that don't fit a standard device, like banners, thumbnails, or unique breakpoints. Release the mouse when the frame looks about right. You can refine the exact size next. Another quick method is to click once on the canvas with the frame tool to drop in a default-sized frame. Then set exact dimensions manually. With the frame selected, head back to the right-hand design panel and enter the width and height values you want. This approach gives you precision without fussing with the mouse, which is perfect when you are working to a strict spec or replicating an existing layout. Once you have a frame you like, you can duplicate it to speed up your workflow. Select the frame and press Ctrl+D on Mac or Ctrl+D on Windows. Figma will create a copy in place, which you can then drag to a new spot. Duplicating frames is especially useful when you are making multiple screens for the same project. Each copy starts with the same dimensions and settings, so you can iterate quickly while keeping things consistent. Finally, keep everything organized by renaming your frames. In the Layers panel, double-click the frame name and type a clear, descriptive label. Consistent names make it easier to scan your file, navigate between screens, and collaborate with others without confusion. That's it. Thanks for watching.